guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to get the which Bollywood actor are you filter on Instagram, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to go on your Instagram account, of course, and then from here you can go to home and then swipe just like this and go to your camera, or you can just click on the plus icon from the top of the screen and then click on story, and then from here you have to click on camera, and from here you just have to swipe just like this until you find this last effect, the search, the browse effect, and from here you just have to click on it and then click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for Bollywood or Mellow. So from here you can go to what effect you want, what account you want. I will go with this one, Bollywood actors from KD. Click on try it from the left bottom corner. And from here you just have to click on the record button. You have to press on it until they say to you which Bollywood actor you look like. So that was mine. You have to press on it until they say to you which Bollywood. So now you just have to share it with your friends. Like. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below and we will answer to you in no time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.